Hi guys, what's up? It's Liz. How you doing? Hope you're doing fantastic. So today I am doing something different. I'm actually clearing my wardrobe, so more like decluttering my wardrobe, if you know what I mean. So as you know, I recently just moved into a new place. I did clear my wardrobe then, but I still feel like I have some stuff that I'm like holding on to that I haven't cleared, and I just feel like I need to clear them because most of the stuff I like literally bought like years ago and I'm still holding on to it, and I don't even like, I'm so attached to it but I'm supposed to like just give it away or get rid of it if it's not good. And yeah, so I just basically just want to clear it, and hopefully I feel better after this because it's been bothering me because I can't, most of the times I go in there, I want to find something to, I'm like, oh, I can't find something to wear. Oh my gosh, that's because I don't like them anymore. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna go through them right now. I'm gonna clear them out and just get rid of all of them, give some stuff away that are still good enough to be given away, and then the ones that are not good enough to be given away I'm gonna throw straight in the bin. Like, I've even got my garbage bag here to put the ones I'm giving away to and the ones I'm not. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started. I think I'll start with my jeans. Oh, jeans and pants are mostly on this section. Oh my god, I love this pant. I actually don't remember where this pant is from. I have no idea. I have worn it. I'm gonna keep this one. This is too tight now. Way too tight. I'm giving it away. They'll say, don't rush like me. I just realized I actually have a lot of just jeans. They're like the, if you don't know, they're like the Australian jeans brand. They're really good, really good jeans. Oh my gosh, you can wear them for like a lifetime. I have like, I'm getting rid of one. I don't really like that, and then I realized that I actually have like 3 more. I didn't know I had so much, and they're actually different colors, so I'm gonna keep these ones as well because I do have my favorite jeans, and these are like the ones, so I'm keeping that one. Ooh, I got these from Cotton On. I love my cargo pant. Need each other, that's all I need. Yeah, that's my other just jeans, the ones that I've worn like so many times. Oh my gosh. And these two are my professional pants. That's the only professional pants I've got. So keep that. So that's it for the pants. I'm only getting rid of 2 jeans, which I'm going to be giving away to charity. And now I'm going to move on to my tops. It's gonna be my pajamas. Also, these tops are from Cotton On. I'm just realizing that. Literally. Alright. I'm gonna get rid of this. That's new. These ones are from Thailand. I think I have like 3. The color got transferred to it. It's like brown, so I'm gonna throw that away. Yep. So they're the 2 Thailand tops. These are the tops I'm giving away. So progress. Yay! I'm so excited. That's so tall. These are my African shorts. I haven't worn them yet. I haven't worn them since I actually got them done. Ooh. It's definitely eye-rise. I think this is the back. I think I wear it back to front. You know, I have the worst pajamas ever. I don't like, they're not nice. I'm definitely giving that away. Giving that away. Going through my skirts now, even though I did go through them recently. Do you feel like there's some stuff I need to like get rid of? I'm just gonna leave these as they are because I love them. As you can see, I have them like in different colors. So leave that in there. I think here are my workout gears, which I never work out. I mean, I do work out, give it credit, I give myself credit, but not often. So I don't really wear them, to be honest, but yeah, they're like tight and like what is it called? I forgot what they're called. Something spilled I can't talk. Something spilled on this top in my suitcase when we were coming back from London. When I opened it, there was like product all over it. I tried to get it out, but I didn't get out. And it's my favorite. I love this top from Boohoo. It's a bodysuit. Like, it's all over. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna throw it away. I was keeping it just because I was so upset. I was so mad. Like, why? But oh well, I guess it's going to the bin. You know what? I have like a similar shoe that I just got from Misguided last year. Hang on. They kind of are similar. This one has red. This one is just black and white. So I don't know what to do. I've worn this recently. I haven't worn this at all. Actually, I've worn it once. I don't know. I think my friend might want this, but I'll just keep that for now. I'm getting rid of some shoes as well. Oh my gosh, this has to go. I'm getting rid of this. I think I'm gonna give it away because it's still good. These sandals I have had forever. They're like the tie-on ones, so I'm keeping that one. I honestly can't remember where I got them from. Yes. There's like lint all over this. I keep saying I'll take the lint out because I have like a lint roller, but I still haven't got into it. Ugh. I have to do that. I'm gonna leave it up so I can actually do it this time. You know what? I'm actually just gonna give this away. This is the one I got from Misguided. I didn't really like the way it felt on my bust area, so I'm just gonna give that away. Yep. I wore these to the Low Ball was it last year? Yeah, I think it was last year. It was so nice. So I'm definitely giving this. After that, I actually haven't worn it since then. No. What was I thinking when I bought this dress? I have no idea. I got this from Misguided like years ago. Actually, did I get it or did my cousin give it to me because it didn't fit her? But I like it, so I've been wearing it since then. I'm not sure what to do. I'll keep it here for now. I keep saying I'll fix this, I'll fix this, I'll fix this for what, 2 years now or even more than that, and I still haven't fixed it. So I don't know whether I should put it in the give it a pile or throw it away because it is good. It just needs to be stitched up because it ripped. This is from Topshop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it in the giveaway pile just because it can definitely still be fixed. See this 2 outfit here? This is what I wore in my diploma degree graduation nursing, and this is what I wore in my bachelor nursing degree for my graduation. So I've still got them. I'm still keeping them. I love both outfits. I love this more. It's more classy, and this is more not classy. You know what's funny? You know what I hate the most is when you buy something and then you want to wear them and the zip just gets ruined. I know I could easily just take him to a tailor or whatever and they'll fix it, but the zip from this broke as well. It broke, and I just bought it from Pop Cherry. I took the tag off and I'm like, yeah, I'll wear it, and then it just broke. I really liked the way it looked, but I think I'm gonna also put this in a giveaway pile just because it can still be fixed. I've had this dress for ages as well. It's like my go-to dress. I wear this all the time. Like when I say all the time, no joke, all the time. So I'm gonna keep this. Oh, there's a rack here. That one. That's where I'm picking the clothes from. Why? I thought there was something wrong with this. There was something wrong with this top. It was ripped or something. But where? Nice snug blazer. I thought something was wrong with it because I already planned on throwing it away. I guess not. Keeping that one. Definitely keeping that. I think I need to put more clothes on here. Nice ones. I still haven't worn this. This is from Pop Cherry. Yeah. Keeping that. Keeping that. Oh, I can never throw this out. This is Bart Simpson. Like, no way. I was so excited when I found it, so I'm keeping it. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna... This is the most difficult top to put on ever. Where did I even get this from? I'm not even gonna bother. It's so hard to go through my head, but then when it does, it's... Nah, you know what? It's just too stressful, so I'm giving that away. You know what? I'm gonna give it away. Let's go with that. That relief when you've just given something away.
Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me. I go give you all of me. My tuition say she moving to the baseline. The way she a whining, come on, wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy.
Alright, so I'm actually done with all my dresses. I've sorted them all out, so I'm quite happy. I got rid of quite a few, so that's good. Yeah, I'm quite happy actually. I feel a little bit cleaner. Do you know what I mean? Like just cleaner. So now I'm just gonna hang some of the stuff that I needed hangers for because now they're free hangers. So I'm gonna do that.
Feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental. Even one time, it's okay.
My camera died again. So that's all the stuff that I'm actually giving away. I'm actually quite impressed. Like for me to give away that much, yeah. Me give away that much that is a big deal, so that's good. I'm actually glad I cleared up a couple of stuff, so yay, I'm happy. And those two are the ones I'm actually gonna throw away. Alright guys, so this is the end of cleaning with me or decluttering my closet video. I am so glad that I actually got to like give away some stuff, get rid of some stuff because it's about time. I believe it or not, I did give away a lot when I moved as well, so I don't know how I still ended up with a lot. It's ridiculous. So yeah, I'm actually so excited that I got to do this again because now I need to try, like the more I buy stuff, I need to pull stuff in then get some stuff out. Do you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna try and do that. Fingers crossed hopefully I can do that because that's just not me. I just buy them and just put it in the wardrobe and they get really overwhelming and I can't find anything to wear. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so you can see more of my face. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed week or day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow.